যদি তোর ডাক শূন্যে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে गाना तो आप सबने सुना होगा बहुत फेमस बंगाली गाना है as you know Bengal is very famous for quite a few things apart from its amazing literature saris shopping संगीत and संदेश मेरी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड हर बार कलकत्ता से मेरे लिए मुड़ी मसाला और सोडा शिकंजी पाउडर लाती है along with some गुलाब पट्टी संदेश आज हम संदेश को इंटरनेशनल पासपोर्ट देकर ले चलते हैं इंग्लैंड सो लेट्स मेक सम हॉट पनीर संदेश पुडिंग we're going to be starting by stewing some green apples now for that we need a nice pan some nice freshly squeezed orange juice and into this orange juice we're going to be adding cinnamon, some cardamom, pepper, and cloves. Start adding my slices of apple and I'm going to let this stew for 7 minutes and this forms the base for our Sandesh pudding. I'm going to be adding butter. I'm going to shut this and let this stew. And now for the Sandesh bit of it. So here we have our paneer. To this paneer, we're going to be adding sugar and cream. And now a good whisking. So our pudding mix of Sandesh is nearly getting ready. This is done. And so are my stewed apples. So the juice is all reduced and darkened and just so pretty. I'm going to put this off. So now, for the pudding, what I have is a plain ring. You make a little cup out of this ring. So you basically just fold this around it like so, and you know for sure that nothing is going to come out of this ring. I'm going to put this straight at the bottom. So now that this is done, I am going to add our sweetened, creamy paneer. Just press it to the bottom and see that there is enough. And now over this, I'm going to be adding some blueberries. So you have different bursts of flavor when you bite into this. Now in the middle of this, I'm going to be putting some almond flakes for that nice crunch. And over this, some more of our sweetened creamy paneer. Press this into this little dish. And now, this is ready for me to bake. So I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees and I'm now going to bake our Sandesh pudding for 20 to 25 minutes in a preheated oven, 180 degrees. Okay, so this is ready. our stewed apple and just put a little blueberry, put a few flakes, and then just put this stick of cinnamon just because it looks pretty. And then I'm going to drizzle our dessert. This is heaven. It's like the river Thames meets अपनी गंगा नदी. कलकत्ते का संदेश का ऐसा इंटरनेशनल अवतार, लेकिन taste, let me just tell you. Have a look at the recap while I stuff my face.
Hot Paneer Sandesh pudding. Heat 1 liter orange juice in a pan. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cardamom, 3 to 4 black peppercorns, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 sliced green apple, 2 teaspoon butter and simmer it on a low flame. For sandesh, in a bowl add 250 gram paneer, 50 gram sugar, 2 tablespoon full fat cream, whisk it together. Now take a medium-sized cookie cutter and cover the base with aluminium foil. Place stewed apples at the base and stuff it with the prepared sandesh mixture. Add 10 to 12 blueberries, 1 teaspoon almond flakes and top it with more sandesh mixture. Now in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Garnish it with stewed apple slice, blueberry, almond flakes, cinnamon stick and drizzle the orange juice reduction over it. Your Paneer Sandesh pudding is ready.